Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching the unboxing and a feature overview and a quick setup guide for the Redmi Earbuds S. Redmi's first TWS in the Indian market and it's priced very aptly. 1800 rupees is the price for these earbuds and probably one of the only known or well-known brands to offer a true wireless solution in this price range is this one, and under 2000 rupees. So obviously there are things to check out whether the sound quality is any good, because for this price people might not expect much when you see options like the Realme Buds Air priced at 4000 and Xiaomi's own Mi True Wireless earphones 2 being priced around the same 4500. So this at 1800, how does this go offer a good performance, or whether there's anything likable in this one? We'll check out in a few days from now, but this is only the feature overview and the unboxing of this unit. The MRP is mentioned as 2399, but it's actually priced at 1800 rupees, and the box packaging is similar to how most of the Xiaomi's packages are, and you see a few mentions about the major features. IPX4 sweat and splash proofing is offered here, up to 12 hours of playback time, that is with the case included, and it works with voice assistant. So in a separate video in both English and in Hindi channels, we'll be doing the tips and tricks video for this one. If you are someone who's new into TWS category and wants to learn how to easily use these, we'll show you that in a separate video. So as soon as you open the box package, in the top itself there's this TWS case, and the case will have those earbuds as well. It's hard to pull them out for the first time, I guess. No, they are here, right here. And remove the protective film from the earbuds before use, and yeah, there'll be a protective film inside, and the manufacturer name is mentioned here. It's obviously, yeah, made in China and directly imported here. They're not made in India. And let's check out the back of this case. It's actually too hard. You saw it slip away right over there. Now, talking about the mentions on the back of this case, it shows the charging speeds. It shows both the charging of the input and also the case charging speeds, and it clearly mentions made in China. So let's keep this aside. Let's quickly check out what else comes in the box package apart from this. So we'll have to open it from the bottom as well. So an empty area, the wide empty area towards the back or the bottom, and there's two extra sets of earbuds for your ear sizes. And since these are in-ear, that's a very good thing. I actually like the in-ear options, and this is the user manual for the first time users to understand how to start using the Redmi Earbuds S. So now this is the case, and it's pretty light. I'm not sure of the actual weight, but the earbuds each are weighed at 4.1 grams, which is really light. And the earbuds are said to be giving a battery life of 4 hours individually, while the case added to it would give a total of 12 hours of music playback or the audio usage with the connected to the smartphone. The earbuds also are said to have a gaming mode, or the low latency mode, which gives you a latency about 122 millisecond. Though that is good enough, not bad at all, because the Realme Buds Air as well had almost the same latency. But then I still won't prefer these for games like PUBG Mobile. Even the lag of or the latency of 122 millisecond is not good, and that's anyway expected, because with Bluetooth that is bound to happen. The signal from the smartphone to the earbuds getting converted to the actual sound would take that much time. And with the gaming mode, I guess the quality also might be reduced, because the packet size or the signal size should be reduced for a faster transfer. So that also might be, a compromise with the audio quality. And these earbuds are said to have the DSP noise cancellation, and that's the environmental noise cancellation. There's no active or passive directly. These are DSP environmental noise cancellation with two microphones, one taking in the actual audio and one taking in the environmental noise around and cancelling it, trying to cancel it. We'll also talk about that in the review when it goes live. And this is the protective film that you have to pull out, because that's going to be probably the touch area where you touch and give all the commands. And this also voice assistant support, so you can use Google Assistant with this and give those commands to ask questions and try to play some music. And there's the play and pause options as well with these touch buttons, and switching to gaming mode is also possible from here. And this has support for both Android and iOS. So now, as you can see, these are pretty small and pretty easy to wear, I guess, because of the weight. It's just 4.1 grams each and 8.2 grams in total. And for the pairing, this now might activate it when you try to put them for charge, and once you place them and once you take them out, now how does this start pairing? So it's charging right now with those indicators on the earbuds, and there's the micro USB cable or the port towards the back of the case to charge it. But now as soon as you remove this, you need to give about 2 to 3 seconds for the earbuds to recognize themselves and pair to each other before they are ready for pairing with a smartphone. So once you give them a few seconds, you'll have to go to the smartphone, activate Bluetooth, and check for the available options, I mean the available devices. And I'm using the Redmi Note 9 Pro so that I'll see if there's enough codec support. I guess there's nothing except for SBC that is supported here, but we'll check that out. Pair with the Redmi Earbuds S, pair, and that's it. It's connected and it clearly mentions SBC, so that's the codec supported here. And you have these options: phone calls, media audio, contact sharing, and these are the things that are supported here. And since there's no other codec supported, obviously there's no mention for that here, unlike how the Mi True Wireless earphones were, and they had the LSDC, the codec support for the higher definition audio, but here it's only SBC, the basic one. But I guess that should be fine enough. We'll be anyway testing these out for a few days, and I'll be actually testing out with the battery life as well, because if it gives about 4 hours and about 12 hours in total with the case, it's not a bad choice at all, because it comes with a known brand at least, and you can expect it to work well, and a good support as well if there's anything that happens later, if there's any issue on that. And the battery case has about 300 mAh battery, and the IPX4 as well. Yeah, with the with sweat proofing, how good are these? So it's only the earbuds that are going to be sweat proof and not the case. So remember that you can't take them when it's raining, and you can't take out the case because that might be damaged. It's only the earbuds that are IPX4 rated. So that's another thing to remember. And it comes with the Bluetooth 5.0, so about 10 meters of range when there's no interruption in between. And I guess with the Bluetooth 5.0 anyway, the latency is lesser, the range should be higher, and the connectivity will be swift. So that's it about the Redmi Earbuds S. This was the quick unboxing and a future overview of the Earbuds S. We'll be doing the review pretty soon, and I hope you like this video. If you do, share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.